Hi everyone, I'm Yolanda and in this tutorial I'm making dulce de leche. The way that I'm going to make it is easy and fast. It'll take less than 10 minutes to make. The only ingredient that we are going to use for this dulce de leche is sweetened condensed milk. The process requires that we take the milk to the microwave, and so we are going to use a dish that is microwave safe. Pour milk into the dish using either a spoon or a spatula. Take a piece of saran wrap or plastic and cover the bowl with the plastic. Keep a tiny bit open to prevent steam buildup within the dish. Take the milk to the microwave and at medium speed, set your microwave to 1.5 to 2 minutes. We are going to be doing this process in intervals of 1 and 1.5 minutes. As you do this a couple of times, you will have to decrease the amount of minutes that you are putting the milk in the microwave, because now your milk is hot and it'll take less time for that milk to start bubbling and rising, and if you're not careful, it's going to spill over all over the microwave. The process will take from 6 to 8 minutes depending on how thick you want your dulce de leche. Keep in mind that the dulce de leche thickens as it cools off, so don't overcook the milk. So here is my dulce de leche after about 5 to 6 minutes in the microwave, putting it in and taking it out and whisking it and back in the microwave. This is the result of it. The consistency that I'm looking for in this dulce de leche is a consistency that I can pour over ice cream. This is the consistency that I was looking for, very a little bit runny. I didn't want it very thick because as you see it here, it's runny but it's not cooled off yet, so it's going to thicken even a little more. And right now I'm just putting it in a jar, and then after it cools off I will show you how the consistency is, how thick it has become. So after a few minutes of being taken out of the microwave, this is the consistency now. From a runny consistency that I had before, it has thickened a whole lot, and so this is good for what I want this dulce de leche for. This is perfect. Dulce de leche can be used over many desserts. Also, you can use it as a filling for your cakes. Just be aware of the consistency of the dulce de leche. You don't want to make it too runny or too thick. It depends on what you are going to use it for. For example, if you are going to pour it over ice cream, you want a runny consistency, and it also makes a great gift. This has been all for today. Thank you for visiting. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, God bless.